Here we are again. We're taking a look at the PEMF8000 Pro Revolution 2.5, and the sound it makes is an indication of the level of the pulsing. So we're going to give you an example of what that looks like. So we'll turn the machine on. Eileen is over here ready to go with the treatment. Flip on the power. And we're going to change the pulse rate to higher intensity, which will give us a lot more sound. How is that feeling?
Can feel it now. I'm starting to feel it. I'm feeling the pulse.
As you continue to increase the intensity, turning the dial clockwise.
So definitely feel the pulse in my shoulder, and can feel it also going down my side. And as it gets slower, it gets more intense.
Let's go way down. I can see your arm and muscle pulsing.
Definitely pulsing.
Wow.
So this is actually a higher pulse rate doing this. Let's see if I can go even further.
I can see your muscles jumping there.
Definitely feeling it.
All right, let's go back the other direction.
So I still feel a pulse at this point. It's just not as intense or making my muscles jump on my shoulder. Then you can actually take it a lot slower, where the sound basically disappears. And there's I don't feel it at this point. There's still something happening, but I'm not feeling it. So I'm gonna take it back up again. So this is probably kind of a medium at this point, feeling it. Again, back faster, feeling it even more. So now the pulse gets slower, but it's actually
A lot of intensity on your muscles there, right?
yeah, very much. Doesn't like hurt. I'm just really aware of the pulsing.
There we go. There's the sound of healing on the PEMF 8000 Pro.